Transform your garden with the best smart hose timers. Are you tired of the constant struggle to keep your lawn and garden looking their best? If so, it's time to embrace the future of gardening with smart hose timers. These nifty devices can revolutionize your outdoor care routine, ensuring your plants thrive without the hassle of traditional irrigation systems. With a smart hose timer, you can enjoy a lush, green garden with minimal effort and expense. Our top recommendation is the Rachio Smart Hose Timer. Why? Because it boasts an incredibly user-friendly app that makes managing your watering schedule a breeze. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with popular smart home assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google. This timer is so intelligent that it can skip watering sessions based on local weather conditions. So you won't be that neighbor watering your lawn during a downpour. #### what we recommend. Top pick, Rachio Smart Hose Timer. Runner-up, Orbit Gen 2 B-hyve Smart Hose Watering Timer. Also great, Orbit B-hyve XD Smart Hose Timer. Budget pick, Diivoo Smart Water Timer with Wi-Fi Hub. #### tips before you buy. Skip Bluetooth-only models. Bluetooth timers can't connect to the internet, limiting their functionality. Opt for models with a Wi-Fi hub for remote control and automation. Check wireless range. Ensure your timer has a strong signal to its Wi-Fi hub. You might need to experiment with different locations for optimal performance. Know your hose types. Smart timers typically attach directly to standard hose bibs, and many come with adapters for different hose sizes. Consider multiple devices. While most timers have a single water port, some can accommodate multiple hoses, allowing you to create irrigation zones. Smart hose timers are designed to screw onto standard outdoor hose bibs and can connect to above-ground sprinklers. With the help of an app, you can easily set schedules for when your timer should turn on and off. Since our recommended models connect to Wi-Fi, you can control them remotely, making it easy to manage your garden from anywhere. Many of these timers even check the weather forecast and can automatically delay watering if rain is expected, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water. #### top pick, Rachio Smart Hose Timer. Compatibility, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri shortcuts, Google Home. The Rachio Smart Hose Timer stands out for its combination of robust hardware and an intuitive app. The app features a sleek, modern design that makes navigation a breeze, whether you're switching between multiple timers or creating new watering schedules. Plus, it supports more smart home integrations than any other model we reviewed. #### runner-up, Orbit Gen 2 B-hyve Smart Hose Watering Timer. Compatibility, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. The Orbit Gen 2 B-hyve Smart Hose Watering Timer is a close second to the Rachio. While it may not be as streamlined, it offers a wealth of features and customization options. The app allows for remote control, notifications, and scheduling, although it can feel a bit clunky at times. It also includes a built-in flow meter to help you track water usage, which is especially handy in areas with water restrictions. #### also great, Orbit B-hyve XD Smart Hose Timer. Compatibility, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. The Orbit B-hyve XD Smart Hose Timer may lack a flow meter, but it compensates with advanced manual controls for those who prefer not to rely solely on an app. You can easily start and stop the timer directly on the device, making it a great option for households with less tech-savvy members. #### budget pick, Diivoo Smart Water Timer with Wi-Fi Hub. Compatibility, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Diivoo Smart Water Timer is a fantastic choice. Priced around $50, it's easy to set up and integrates well with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home. While it doesn't have a flow meter or automatic rain delay features, it still covers the basics effectively, ensuring your plants get the water they need without breaking the bank. #### the research behind our choices. We've done the legwork to ensure you get the best smart hose timer for your needs. Our selection process focused on models that connect to Wi-Fi, offer a companion app for remote control, and provide manual control options. We also prioritize timers that can continue operating during power outages, and those that can adjust schedules based on weather forecasts. In testing, we looked for ease of installation, intuitive app control, reliable performance, and overall value for money. Each model was connected to the same water spigot to ensure consistent testing conditions, allowing us to evaluate their connectivity, notification systems, and scheduling capabilities. Conclusion. With the right smart hose timer, you can take the guesswork out of watering your garden. Whether you choose the top-rated Rachio, the versatile Orbit models, or the budget-friendly Diivoo, you'll be well on your way to a thriving outdoor space with minimal effort. Say goodbye to the days of overwatering or forgetting to water your plants. Embrace the convenience of smart technology and watch your garden flourish.